How to hide Instagram posts from one person. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide Instagram posts from one person. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Insta. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. And after you do that, tap on the bottom right corner on your profile. Now tap on the three lines on the top right corner. After you do that, there you should find an option called Limit Interactions. So it's right under how others can interact with you section. Tap on Limit Interactions and there just turn this on. After you've turned on your limits, here you will see who will be limited. You can tap on that and here you just turn on this first button that says everyone but your close friends. Now edit your close friends list and make sure that you exclude the person that you don't want to see your post and that you want to hide the post from. After you turn this on, tap on done and you're basically good to go. Now the other thing that you can actually do is you can just restrict the person. So if you want to just limit the interaction with that person, search for that person's profile, tap on the three dots on the top right corner, and there you'll see restrict button on the top. Restrict them and it will just limit the interaction between you guys, which will ultimately enable you to not show your post to them. And that's how you hide Insta post from one person, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.